Right boys, this is some clips of Gary riding a bike.
Okay, vlog number 5. First things first, we've got to get this here thing fitted. So we broke this last week. When it starts messing about, just get a new part and just you'll not have to deal with it. But the mech is pretty done in that's on the bike, so it was time for a change. So yeah, I'm gonna fit this and then we're gonna hit the trails. It didn't really take that long to fit that. I'm just gonna mess about with the limit screws, make sure it's the correct limit at the top and the bottom, because it's, as you can hear, it's not right yet. I actually put this new cable on at the start of the week, but yeah, I didn't put an end cap on it because I thought the mech was coming, but it didn't come in time, and then I just rode the cable and it's all free. So I'm gonna call it in the bike shop, get a new cable, and then I'm gonna fit it at the trail and go straight. Just out of Cardwell's, got a wee cable for the bike. I would normally fit it in there, but they're just so busy. Like, everybody's getting bikes at the minute, which is class, so I just grabbed it and I'll fit it when I get up to the trail. Just ran into Ollie and Clarence. Hi. Let's just ride some bikes.
That's a lovely bar, yeah, boy. We're just checking it out here, sizing it up. You off here, and on down there. What do you think?
out on the bike. The day kind of got away from me, so I was just trying to get that mech finished between, you know, footering about at the house and then going into the shop and whatnot. I just kind of thought when I get out on the bike and just stick the camera on, let the GoPro do its work and bang out a few runs. So 2 things to take away from the day. If you have a bike and you're maybe struggling to get out on it, sometimes the hardest thing about getting out on the bike is simply getting on your kit and getting out the door. If you can achieve that, it's easy to pedal it. Second thing is, buying a bike on finance. It's just like paying a gym membership, and if you ride your bike a couple of times a week, and it's dirt cheap. Shout out to Niall and Dan, met them in the Glens yesterday. They were out shredding. And yeah, they sent me this cool video.